Hey readers, this one's called Pizza and Hot Dog by Mr. McLover. Pizza sees Hot Dog coming down the path. He starts to get hungry. Hot Dog sees Pizza up ahead. His tummy growls. Pizza says to Hot Dog,
"I'm hungry. I kind of want a hot dog."
Hot Dog says to Pizza,
"I am hungry too. I kind of want some pizza. Yum."
It is quiet for a bit. Pizza and Hot Dog look at each other. They decide to go to a food stand.
"One hot dog, please."
"One slice of pizza, please."
After the yummy meal, Pizza and Hot Dog smile. Hot Dog has to go buy a new bun for tomorrow. He says,
"See you later, Pizza."
Pizza says,
"See you next time."
and that's it. See you later.